Hi, it's Wendie Pett with Visibly Fit, and it is that time of year. It is spring. It's time to do a little spring cleaning. And I think a lot of times we think about spring cleaning in our closet, right? Or in the garage, or cleaning out the car, or whatever we are doing. But we tend to forget about our fitness apparatuses and fitness clothes and shoes. And I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to do a little spring cleaning here. And when I did, I have to tell you, I was a little embarrassed about what I found. First of all, my Fitbit has got to go. The button is broke. It's a joke. I've got to get rid of it and get a new one, okay? So that's the first thing to go. I know it doesn't take up a lot of space, but mentally it still does. So bye-bye. Next thing is, and this does take up space, this is a yoga block. Nothing wrong with the yoga block, but I don't need it. I don't use it. Bye-bye. We're going to send it to Goodwill, give it away to somebody that can use it. Now here's something. I have a jump rope. Love jumping rope. This is a great form of exercise, but this sucker is too long. I don't even know why I have it. It's made of leather. It's just not practical. It's just not for me. So this has to go as well. Now, this I thought was interesting because I have two push-up bars. Now these you can see have been reinforced and they're pretty darn tacky. So I'm going to get rid of those. I don't need two pair of push-up bars, all right? So I'm going to keep these and I'm going to ditch these, all right? Now, as I was cleaning out other things, this kind of cracked me up. I found a body fat analyzer. Okay, is it really gonna be that accurate? Why do I have it? I have no idea. I don't even know when I've used it. I got it on sale for $10.77. When? I don't know, probably 10 years ago, but this is going. I was going through a few books. Now this was kind of fun because I thought, oh, what's this? The Stunt Woman's Workout. I guess I was like really on a mission to have some kick butt workout or feel really cool, and I've never even cracked it open. Seriously, I'm sure it's a great book, but no, not for me. I've got other books in here. I've got Joyce Fedrell. She's awesome. But this is like a 1988 book. I don't need it. I mean, it's a classic. I don't know. I might kind of keep it. All right, I'm going to keep it just because I like it. But these have got to go. They're going to go in the box. Well, eventually, and we're going to send it to Goodwill. But out of this box, I found some fitness clothes, right? And I have drawers and drawers full of fitness clothes because, well, it's what I do for a living. But I was looking at some of these things, and I thought, whose is this? Your kid's sister's? I mean, it is like, I have no idea. I mean, it's just a joke. So I'm going to get rid of this. I was looking at these shorts. Oh, aren't those pretty? Yeah, they're going bye-bye. I was looking at this disgusting workout top, and I was noticing that the elastic is kind of goofy on it. It's not doing really well. Oh, speaking of elastic, these were the two. I was cracking up. Okay, these have been in here so long that I don't know if you can hear this, but listen to this. Yeah, that would be bad elastic. These are going just in the trash. I've got more workout tops, never worn. They're just stupid. Oh, this one's attractive. What is this? This is like a leotard from, I don't know when, high school? Are you kidding me? I have shoes. I love my Brooks. They're awesome, but I have so many pairs of shoes. It's time to finally just get rid of them. I have a pair here that has kind of a hole in them, but hello, same pair I'm wearing. I can get rid of these. They're going bye-bye. And last, well, these are some tennis shoes. I'm like TENNIS, tennis shoes. I couldn't tell you the last time I played tennis. Great sport, love it. I'm just gonna wear my Brooks probably. All right, so I can just get rid of those. And let's see, I found this Gym Boss. This is like a little timer thing, whatever. I don't use it. I had my time that I did, but I don't anymore. I just use my phone because that's the beauty of having a phone. But speaking of phone, how many apps do you have on your cell phone that you could do a little spring cleaning there as well? You might be surprised. Start clearing the clutter, clear the space, but especially with your health and fitness apparatuses, books, shoes, and clothes. You'll be glad to clear the space in your home and also in your head. So do a little spring cleaning.